What's going on? Here's just another video, guys, on this movement that I've started when it comes to making money from your room, from your vehicle. This is going to be my YouTube video, just one of many that's going to bridge the gap and help you guys get into this e-learning space that's going to allow you to open up shop. We are not a Ponzi scheme. We're not a pyramid scheme. What we're doing, all I do is get paid 80% commissions. There's no levels in this business. It's literally just product to consumer. The company cuts me a check. The reason why I love this digital business model is because I don't got to create the product. Right now, you have no time to really strategize, even though you could take your likeliness and any skill that you're good at and take it into a course, into a product. You don't have the time to do it right now. That's something that you do after you build the cash flow. That frees up the time, or you can just stay affiliate the whole time and just collect 80% commissions paid every single week. But what I love about this company specifically is we're a real community, but most importantly, we teach real skills. So you're going to have the software to make your own pages. You're going to have the education to, thrive on the internet. And I mean, we have a rim of people. We have big coders, guys who make beautiful pages for clients. We have people who do YouTube, podcasts, social media. I do a lot. I do cinema, AI. I do a lot of back-end stuff, funnel creation, video editing, the whole nine. So you're going to learn a lot of skills within the community. And like I said, I'm doing this from my car, and I'm doing this intentionally. Yes, I can pull up the full frame cameras. Yes, I can do perfect cuts, but it's like, who's going to really duplicate this? Even sometimes how I talk. Who's going to duplicate a super polished version when you barely believe that this is possible? So I'm going to cut this video here because I don't want these videos 5 minutes, because I got some information I want you to see. So if you're seeing this video, let me know where you're watching from in the comments, and in the description, you're going to see exactly what you need to get to the next level.